Hi, in this video we're going to use the area of a triangle to find out one of the side lengths. So we're given that the area here is 86.7 centimeters squared. And let's remind ourselves, how do we find the area of a triangle? Well, the area of a triangle is equal to half times by the base times by the perpendicular height. By perpendicular height, I mean that the height of the triangle is at right angles to the base. It's perpendicular to it. So we know the area, so we know this area. We know the height of the triangle, it's 8.5, but we don't know the base of the triangle. So let's just introduce a variable because we don't know it. So we're going to call this base, let's say x. And then we're going to substitute everything we've got into our formula. Well, we know the area is 86.7, we're told that. Then we've got it's equal to half, multiplied by the base, which we said was x, multiplied by the height, which we said was 8.5. And let's just simplify this. We've got 86.7, half times 8.5 is 4.25, and that times x is just 4.25x. And then to get x on its own, we need to get rid of that 4.25 times by on the front. So we divide both sides by 4.25. And that gives us x is equal to, I have to use my calculator for this. X is equal to 20.4. So we now know that this length here is 20.4. And now we can use Pythagoras theorem to find the length of AC. This is the length of AC. Let's just call it y. I just need to give it any old variable. And we're going to use Pythagoras theorem. So if I just draw this triangle separately down here. So we've got, this is 8.5 centimeters. The bottom is 20.4. And we're trying to find this hypotenuse y. Now, how does Pythagoras theorem work? We saw it in previous videos. If we do one of the shorter lengths squared, so either the 8.5 or the 20.4, so if we do one of the shorter lengths squared, let's say the 8.5 squared, and we add the other shorter length squared, so 20.4 squared, doesn't matter which way those two go round, that is equal to the length of the hypotenuse squared. Remember, the hypotenuse is always opposite the right angle. It's the longest length. So that is equal to the hypotenuse squared. So that's Pythagoras theorem. And then we can use our calculator to simplify this. So I'm going to do 8.5 squared plus 20.4 squared. And that is equal to 488.41. Now I want to get rid of the squared on the y, so I work out what y is. So I just do square root of that answer. And that is equal to, it's actually quite a nice value, 22.1. So y is 22.1 centimeters. So that's the final answer. The length of AC, which is y, is 22.1. And we are done.